Hey there, fellow travelers. Welcome back to Travel Guide World, your go-to spot for all things travel. Today, we're diving deep into the heart of Pakistan, a place that's a perfect blend of tradition and modernity. Things to do in Pakistan. Have you ever wondered what it's like to visit the northern areas of Pakistan? A place teeming with natural beauty, rich culture, and historical significance? Well, you're in for a treat. This video is your gateway to this incredible region, a capsule of information crafted to guide you through the mesmerizing landscapes, the awe-inspiring landmarks, and the captivating traditions. We'll start by immersing you in the breathtaking natural beauty of these areas, from majestic mountains to serene lakes. We'll then move to the historical landmarks, each a testament to the rich past and architectural brilliance of the region. And it wouldn't be complete without a deep dive into the vibrant culture and traditions that make this part of Pakistan truly unique. Throughout our journey, we'll also suggest activities you can engage in to experience the region in the most authentic way. So buckle up for this exciting adventure. Come along as we delve into the wonders of the northern areas of Pakistan. Imagine waking up to the sight of majestic mountains, serene lakes, and vast green landscapes. The natural beauty of northern Pakistan is a sight to behold, a spectacle that transcends the ordinary. A vast canvas of lush meadows, towering peaks, and tranquil rivers, it offers an escape to a world untouched by the hustle and bustle of modern life. In the heart of this natural paradise lies the Hunza Valley. Often referred to as Shangri-La, the Hunza Valley is home to snow-capped peaks, shimmering lakes, and ancient glaciers. The valley, with its terraced fields and quaint stone houses, is a testament to the harmonious coexistence of man and nature. Not far from the Hunza Valley, you'll find the Fairy Meadows, a name that perfectly encapsulates its ethereal beauty. Nestled at the foot of the Nanga Parbat, the world's ninth highest mountain, Fairy Meadows offers a breathtaking panorama of towering peaks, alpine forests, and wildflower-filled meadows. Travel a little further, and you'll reach the Deosai Plains, aptly known as the Land of the Giants. This vast plateau, one of the highest in the world, is a stunning landscape of rolling grasslands and wildflowers, set against a backdrop of towering mountains and azure skies. In the summer, the plains come alive with a riot of colors, as thousands of wildflowers bloom in unison. But the beauty of northern Pakistan isn't just in its landscapes, it's also home to unique flora and fauna. From the elusive snow leopard to the majestic markhor, the region's wildlife is as diverse as it is fascinating. And let's not forget the flora. From the vibrant rhododendrons of the valleys to the rare endemic species of the high-altitude meadows, the region's plant life is a botanist's dream. The northern areas of Pakistan offer a paradise for nature lovers, a place where you can lose yourself in the grandeur of the mountains, find peace in the serenity of the lakes, and marvel at the diversity of life that flourishes in these lands. Far from the madding crowd, it's a place where you can truly connect with nature. The northern areas of Pakistan offer a paradise for nature lovers. Pakistan Best Landmarks, a region rich in history, is home to countless landmarks that tell tales of the past. Let's start with the Badshahi Mosque, Lahore, one of the largest mosques in the world, known for its stunning Mughal architecture and historical significance. Mohenjo-Daro, an ancient Indus Valley civilization archaeological site in Sindh, offering insights into one of the world's earliest urban settlements. Hunza Valley, known for its breathtaking mountain scenery, including Rakaposhi, one of the highest peaks in Pakistan, and attractions like Baltit Fort and Altit Fort. Khyber Pass, a historic mountain pass connecting Pakistan and Afghanistan, known for its strategic significance and scenic beauty. Shandur Polo Ground, located in Gilgit-Baltistan, it's the highest polo ground in the world, and hosts an annual polo festival that attracts players and spectators from across the region. Darawar Fort, situated in the Chalistan Desert of Punjab, this impressive fort with its massive walls and bastions is a testament to the region's ancient history. Next, we journey to the heart of Lahore, where the Shalimar Gardens await. These majestic gardens, constructed during the Mughal era in the mid-17th century, are a testament to the opulence of the time. 3 terraces, each with its own unique character and charm, are adorned with intricate marble basins, fountains, and pavilions. The gardens, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, remain an oasis of tranquility amidst the bustling city, reflecting the Mughals' deep appreciation for nature and aesthetics. Finally, we arrive at the Faisal Mosque in Islamabad, the largest mosque in Pakistan and a marvel of modern Islamic architecture. Unlike traditional domed mosques, this one takes inspiration from a Bedouin tent, with its sleek angular lines and towering minarets. Named after the late King Faisal of Saudi Arabia, it was completed in the early 80s and can accommodate an astonishing 250,000 worshippers. The mosque's minimalist design and grand scale make it a symbol of Pakistan's ambition and faith. Though vastly different, these landmarks share a common thread. They provide a window into the soul of northern Pakistan. They embody the region's rich tapestry of history, culture, and spirituality. From the rugged mountain fortress of Baltit, through the serene Mughal gardens of Shalimar, to the modern architectural wonder that is the Faisal Mosque, each landmark has a unique story to tell. These landmarks offer a glimpse into the past, making them a must-visit for history enthusiasts. Beyond the natural beauty and historical landmarks, the northern areas of Pakistan are rich in culture and traditions. Diving deeper into the heart of these regions, you'll find a cultural tapestry that's as diverse as the landscape itself. Let's begin with the unique traditions. Each tribe and ethnic group in the northern areas has its own set of customs. For instance, the Kalash people, residing in the Chitral district, are known for their vibrant festivals, such as Chilam Joshi and Uchao, where they don colorful attire and celebrate with singing, dancing, and feasting. It's a spectacle of joy and unity that's truly fascinating. Then there's the local cuisine. The food here is a delicious blend of Central Asian and South Asian cuisines, with dishes like chapshoro, a mouth-watering stuffed bread, and mamtu, a type of dumpling, being popular favorites. The food is often cooked over wood fires, adding a distinct smoky flavor that's hard to forget. The northern areas are also home to some of the most hospitable people you'll ever meet. The locals, with their warm smiles and welcoming nature, make every visitor feel at home. It's a part of their culture to treat guests like family, a tradition known as Pakhtunwali in the Pashtun communities. This sense of hospitality extends from the bustling bazaars to the quiet mountain villages, creating an atmosphere of friendliness and warmth wherever you go. In addition, the northern areas are a hub of traditional arts and crafts. From intricate woodwork to vibrant textiles, these handicrafts are a testament to the skill and creativity of the local artisans. Each piece, whether it's a beautifully carved walnut wood box or a hand-woven pashmina shawl, tells a story of its own. Finally, the way of life in the northern areas is a blend of simplicity and resilience. Despite the harsh weather conditions and challenging terrains, the locals have adapted to their environment in remarkable ways, living harmoniously with nature and preserving their age-old traditions. Experiencing the local culture and traditions is an integral part of a trip to the northern areas of Pakistan. It's a journey into a world that's rich in history, filled with unique customs, and brimming with heartwarming hospitality. It's a journey you won't soon forget. For those seeking adventure, the northern areas of Pakistan offer a plethora of activities. Immerse yourself in the breathtaking landscapes of northern Pakistan, where every twist and turn unveils a new adventure. The region is a haven for thrill seekers and nature lovers alike, brimming with opportunities to explore the unbeaten paths, camp under a blanket of stars, and get up close with the local wildlife. One of the must-do activities in northern Pakistan is trekking. With countless trails leading through soaring mountain peaks, tranquil valleys, and lush forests, there's a path for every level of hiker. Whether you're a seasoned trekker or a beginner, the thrill of navigating these trails with their stunning vistas is an experience that will stay with you long after your journey ends. If you have a penchant for camping, the northern areas of Pakistan are your dream come true. Imagine setting up your tent in a serene meadow, surrounded by towering mountains, with the calming sounds of a nearby stream as your lullaby. The region's clear, unpolluted skies make for a stargazing spectacle that's simply out of this world. Camping here isn't just about spending a night in the wilderness, it's about connecting with nature on a profound level. For wildlife enthusiasts, northern Pakistan is a treasure trove of biodiversity. The region is home to a variety of species, from the elusive snow leopard to the majestic Markhor goat. Opportunities for wildlife spotting are aplenty, especially in the national parks and wildlife reserves. Remember to tread lightly and respect the habitat of these beautiful creatures. The best time to visit northern Pakistan for these activities is between May and October. During these months, the weather is typically pleasant, making your outdoor adventures more comfortable and enjoyable. Whether you're an adrenaline junkie or a nature enthusiast, the northern areas of Pakistan have something for everyone. So pack your bags, put on your hiking boots, and get ready to experience the adventure of a lifetime. Northern Pakistan, a place where nature, history, and culture converge. This unique region offers a blend of experiences that are hard to find anywhere else in the world. Its natural beauty is unparalleled. From the snow-capped peaks to the lush green valleys, it's a sight to behold. The historical landmarks standing tall and proud are a testament to the rich history and heritage of this part of the world. Culturally, northern Pakistan is a melting pot of traditions, where you can experience the true essence of Pakistan. The activities in this region are as diverse as its landscapes. From hiking on rugged trails to exploring ancient sites, from experiencing traditional festivals to savoring local delicacies, every day brings a new adventure. In conclusion, northern Pakistan is not just a destination, but a journey in itself, a journey of discovery, adventure, and enlightenment. So, are you ready to embark on an unforgettable journey to the northern areas of Pakistan? Well, there you have it, our comprehensive guide to Pakistan. From iconic landmarks to mouth-watering dishes and vibrant traditions, this country has something for every type of traveler. If you've been to Pakistan, share your experiences in the comments below. And if you haven't, hit that subscribe button for more travel guides like this. Until next time, happy travels. Thanks for joining us on this adventure. Stay tuned for more exciting travel content, and remember, the world is full of wonders waiting to be explored. See you in the next video.